Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy timeless updo. To start, I've left a few pieces of hair out around the hairline just to soften the look, but this is completely optional. And we're going to section off the top part of the hair, so we're going to go a couple of inches above the ears on both sides, bring this round to the middle at the back and tie it off with a clear elastic band. Next, apply some texture spray all over the crown area and use your fingers to gently tease out small sections of hair and then secure these in place with a little bit of hairspray. I'll link all the products I've used in the description box below for you. Okay, so now we're going to take another section from the left hand side and we're going to take everything from the ear up. So section that off with your fingers and bring this around to the back of the head and just to the right hand side of that elastic band. Twist the section slightly and push it against the head, and then we're just going to slip a bobby pin through that twist to secure it. Add a little bit more texture spray to the section we've just pinned and loosen everything up by pinching and pulling. Add a bit more hairspray to help everything stay in place. And we're just going to repeat that on the other side. So take the hair from the ear upwards, bring this around to the back, but this time we're going to position it to the left of the elastic band. So give it a small twist and push that previous section up so it lays just underneath, and secure it to the head with a couple of bobby pins. Again, apply some more texture spray and pinch and pull. Okay, moving back to the left hand side, what we're going to do is going to take the tail ends from the previous twist and we're going to grab a nice big chunk of hair from that left hand side. I'm going to bring it all the way over to the middle and then just slightly off to the right hand side. Give it a little twist, move that twist above it out of the way and pin it to the head just underneath. And then just repeat the same steps as before. So add a bit of texture spray and loosen everything up a little bit. And then we're going to do it one final time. So take the hair from the right hand side, bring it over towards the left hand side, give it a little twist, and then use a couple of bobby pins to secure it to the head. Apply some texture spray and pinch and pull. Okay, so we should be left with a little bit of hair hanging down at the back, and all we're going to do is add a clear elastic band about 4 inches away from the top. On the last twist of that elastic band, don't pull the hair all the way through, only pull it part way through so you create a little bit of a loop. Now all we're going to do is grab the ends and then just roll it up towards the nape of the neck. Hold it in place and pop a bobby pin through that roll on each side just to hold it secure. And then we're going to just gently grab hold of the edges and fan them out a little bit. And we're just going to take the very ends of it and pin this to the nape of the neck. And repeat this on the opposite side. Add a bit more texture spray and pinch and pull at that little roll just so it matches the rest of the hair. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.